If you're a long-term investor, then all you need to do is click the monthly trade triangles and you enter when you see a monthly and you exit when you see a red monthly.
You know, life can be hectic sometimes. We have our day job, and when we finish work, our kids have just come back from school and they are like, "Hey Papa, can you bring me to the playground?" And I'm like, kill me. And not to forget other miscellaneous stuff like marketing, taking care of the dog, feeding our chickens, cleaning the house, etc. Where do we even find time to analyze trades to make money? In today's video, I'm going to share my favorite technical screener and how I use it to reduce the time spent finding entry and exit signals for both stocks and option positions to allow busy individuals like myself more time to do things that I enjoy. For those who are new to this channel, hello, my name is Darren and I have been investing and trading options since I graduated from university, and I would like to use YouTube as a platform to share my learnings along the way. So if you are someone passionate about options trading in general, then do consider subscribing to this channel as we cover all things options related. Before I begin, just a disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. In fact, it's purely for entertainment purpose only. Stocks, options, these are all risky stuff and you can lose a lot without proper knowledge. Hence, if you are new to investing, then I would suggest opening a paper trading account first before using your real money to trade. In today's video, I'll be showing how I use Marketclub to screen for bullish as well as bearish plays for entry and exit signals, and how I eyeball these trades and manage my portfolio. Before I begin, what is Marketclub? It is a subscription-based service that allows you to screen the trend of stocks via its proprietary trade triangle technology, and this aims to take the emotional biasness out of trading. Okay guys, I'm just so excited to share this with you, so let's log into Marketclub right now.
Guys, this is what you'll see upon entering the Marketclub website. At the top are the various option tabs that you can choose. It can take some time getting used to the interface, but once you use it as much as me, it really becomes second nature. Normally when I log in, the first thing I will do is to check the top market section over here. Basically, Marketclub has created various smart scans to assist traders and investors looking for top stocks, top options, penny stocks, ETFs, currencies, so on and so forth. Through this section, you can find various bullish and bearish plays. Take note that you need to have the options add-on in order to have the top options appear on the screen. If you just have the basic subscription, this will not appear. Normally, what I like to do is to click the top options and I'll be brought to this page here. The first thing that I like to do is to look at the three main markets, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite, and I just like to take a look at their scores. As you can see, it's all very bearish right now. Hence, this means that we should be looking for either bearish plays to buy puts, or if you are like me, then I just prefer to sit out and wait for things to improve so that I can buy call options on. I feel that looking at these three broad markets gives me the general feel of the overall market, and I don't really like to go against the trend. Next, you will see stocks that are ranked based on their trend. You can click the score button, and what it does is it gives you a variety of bullish as well as bearish plays. Let's say I find a stock that I would like to analyze further. What I would do is just to click the charting button over here. It is worth mentioning that the main reason for my subscription to Marketclub is primarily to use its proprietary trade triangles, which I find very useful in getting entry and exit signals. Upon loading the chart, you'll notice that there are three triangles over here with the symbols M, W, and D. M just means the monthly trade triangles, W means the weekly trade triangles, and D means the daily trade triangles. If you're a long-term investor, then all you need to do is click the monthly trade triangles and you enter when you see a monthly and you exit when you see a red monthly. For example, on the 21st of February, I will have entered a call position and I will have waited all the way until the 10th of September to exit. I'll enter again on the 23rd of March, exited on the 14th of July, entered again on the 4th of October, and continued holding this position. If you are an intermediate term trader, then what you will do is click the weekly trade triangles. So you notice the weekly trade triangles will just give you more entry and exit signals. Let's use the latest monthly triangle, which happened on the 4th of October. So I've entered the call here, exited here, entered again, exited, entered again, and held on. Let's go through another example and key in the SPY, which is the ETF tracking the S&P 500. In order to do that, click the search symbol and type in SPY. Let me clear all the triangles first. So let's say I am a long-term investor. What I would do is I will wait and only enter when I see a monthly trade triangle, which is green. And that happened on the 5th of June. I would either have bought the SPY ETF, if not I would have bought a call and held on all the way until the 24th of January and I exited, and I will not do anything after that.
Hello, I'd like to share that viewers to my channel are given a 30-day trial to try out Marketclub for just $1. So go click the link if you think that this service might benefit you. Okay, now back to the video.
Let's say I'm an intermediate term trader, then what I would do is I will click the weekly trade triangles, entered on the 5th of June, exited over here, entered again, exited, entered again, exited, enter, exit, and so on and so forth, all the way until the 24th of January. And that is where I will exit all my positions and sit on the sidelines till the red monthly turns green, which till date has not happened yet. Hence what you can see is through the trade triangles, we will enter and exit without any emotions. And this gives traders a very systematic way to enter as well as exit a position. In fact, I have been using this strategy last year primarily on the SPY with call option leaps, and I have recorded a 100% win rate for the year 2021. I will link that video at the top and in the description below if you are keen to know more details about this strategy. Let's say I have selected some stocks that I would like to monitor. I will add that symbol to a portfolio by clicking Add Symbols, choose the portfolio that I would like to add it in, and this allows me ease of monitoring. Monitoring the portfolio is a very simple daily 5-minute affair. All that is needed is just to click the portfolio tab over here and select the portfolio that I would like to monitor. And we just check if the trade triangles has changed. If I see a weekly or monthly trade triangle change, then I'll just enter or exit the position accordingly. In fact, I feel that the best way to monitor my trades will just be to use the portfolio manager instead of constantly refreshing my options brokerage account. Let's go back to the main page. I would also like to share that there's this traders blog which I like to click on, and it's updated every few days. Via the blog you can find news on the market, stock ideas, and also updates to the screeners. So you can see Marketclub allows you to track all your cryptos in one place, and you can check out the comprehensive list. So let me just show you for some reference. You can track your Bitcoins, your Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, so on and so forth. And if you want any more coins, you can just type in the comment section and they'll try to get it added.
Okay, so that's how I use my screener to autopilot my trades. Do type in the comment section below if you have any other questions or if you know of other tools that can help autopilot trades. And if you like this video, then please give it a like. And do consider subscribing as well, as I aim to release more options related content and videos in the future. See you!